Hi, and welcome back to Blue's Garden. So, harvesting my mystery potatoes and a few other little tidbits from around the garden. Let's take a look. So, I call this my mystery potato because in February, March, April, in April I planted 6 25-gallon grow bags. Sorry, 7 25-gallon grow bags. I did 2 of Yukon Gold, 1 of Adirondack Red, 1 of Adirondack Blue, 1 of Dark Red Norland. So those are 5. And then I did 2 more 25-gallon grow bags, fabric grow bags, with seed potato. I didn't mark them. Hence the mystery potato. So I had 5 specific bags that were just a single variety. And then I had 2 bags that were sort of a mix. And I have no idea what's in them. I call it my mystery potatoes because I didn't label it. And so this first one I will harvest. I'll show you the harvest for. I'm not going to do the next one for another 2 weeks. I'll use these potatoes, probably only cook once in the next couple of weeks with potato. But then maybe next week I will end up harvesting more of these little potatoes. Let's take a look at the mystery potato, the first batch that I harvest. All right, so first thing I am doing is I am chitting my potatoes. They are in a cool, relatively cool, low 60s degree weather in my basement with bright light. That forces the eyes to begin chitting. I planted in early April. I usually aim for March 17th around St. Patrick's Day, but it was horrible, rainy, and I didn't want the potatoes to rot. So I plant 3 or 4, depending on which grow bag, 3 or 4 bags, seed potato in each. Here I am, I've planted the potato, the seed potato, and now I am putting soil on top. It is, I fertilize with some bone meal and blood meal, and then I mix that in. And then a couple of weeks later, you start to see the greens popping up. These are my known potato 25-gallon grow bags. They are coming in nicely. 2 Yukon Gold, 1 Adirondack Red, 1 Adirondack Blue, and a Dark Red Norland. These are my mystery. These 2, I don't know what I put in here. A couple in each. These are the mystery potatoes towards the end of June. And they start to die off. When they get yellow and die off, then I am going to begin to harvest. And this is the process of, I'm going to take one of these 2 grow bags. And first thing I'm going to do is take whatever is left of the plants, take them all, pull them all out, yank them all out, and that stuff goes into my compost bin. So gather all the greens, what's left of the plants, the dead plants, toss that into the compost bin, take the 25-gallon grow bag. I'm going to put it into a wheelbarrow, just makes it easier for me. Dump it out. That's one of the reasons I grow certain things in grow bags is it's easy instead of digging with a shovel into the ground and risk fork or something spearing my potatoes. Now all I have to do is sift through this dirt. So now I'm going to carefully sift the first mystery bag. Next one I'll get next week. It is a mixture of peat, last year's soil. Oh, here's my very first ever potato for 2025. It's going to be quite the feast if that is the rate. Clearly there was at least 1 Dark Red Norland or Adirondack Red. I won't know until I open them up. That's an Adirondack Blue. I know that one. So there's at least 2 different varieties in here. I don't know until I open up the potato if they're red inside or these are Dark Red Norland. The grow bag medium is last year's soil, some straw, and some peat, and whatever fertilizer I have. And from one grow bag, I was able to determine that I had 3 seed potato, 1 Yukon Gold, 1 Adirondack Blue. These are the known quantity ones. These 2 tall things are some raspberries that come in. These are my harvest, not bad, from 3 seed potato. It's about a 7-to-1 ratio of seed potato. All right, there you have it. Mystery potato bag 1 harvested. 3 potatoes. 1 was clearly a Yukon Gold, 1 was an Adirondack Blue, and 1 was a dark red Norland. And those are the red potato, blue potato, and the white potato that I got. The Yukon yellow. It's actually a yellow potato. Not bad for just 3 seed potato. We'll find out what next week's mystery potato is when I harvest next week. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thanks very much for watching and subscribing. If you liked this, please share, like, and subscribe. This helps me grow, and that helps you grow.